Welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring, and we're gonna enjoy the most non-boring summer salad. We are gonna make a watermelon feta salad, and it has fresh mint and red onion, and that's about it. This is a delicious, very easy to put together, awesome take to a barbecue salad. This comes with very minimal ingredients. It's really not expensive to put together at all, and you can honestly put together a very large bowl of this very quickly for any kind of potluck and barbecue you might be going to. So I want to thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching, sharing, and smashing that like button on my videos. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so down below and ring that bell. You don't want to miss any of the videos we have coming up. We have some awesome summer food coming your way. We're staying healthy. We're not compromising taste in any of these videos or any of these recipes. You can always find the ingredients listed below, and we go through step by step. So once again, thank you so much for being here, and let's get this watermelon salad put together. The first thing we are going to do is just chop up a little bit of red onion. So we only need about 1/4 of a cup to 1/2 of a cup. I'm going to have all of the ingredients listed below, and this is a serving for 6. So you will keep that in mind. Now, the great benefits of watermelon I want to tell you about, especially this time of year, is rehydration. That's one thing that people really struggle with all of the year, but especially during summer and these hot months. So watermelon will help you with that. It's also packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium, and a lot of your vitamin Bs. This is fresh mint from the garden. You can buy mint, or you can get this fresh mint, and I'm just going to take the leaves off, and we are going to go ahead and just slice these up super thin. The fresh herbs are so great in this. You could also use basil. If you have basil on hand, that would go very well with this, but I love the mint in mine. So as soon as we have that chopped up, I got a watermelon with seeds in it. So I did try and make it as seedless as possible. You can buy seedless watermelon and do that as well. I just cubed that up. We're gonna add our red onion. We're gonna add our feta cheese. And of course, we are going to add that fresh mint on top of this. So the watermelon is going to cause a juice at the bottom of this, and that is okay. We're going to go ahead and just roll with that and let it be there. Give this a nice, good mix. And it is just beautiful. You see how easy that came together. We are going to add just one more quick thing. The other thing I really enjoy putting on top of this salad, you can go straight balsamic vinegar. You can make your own balsamic glaze, but I actually bought this at Trader Joe's, and it's a balsamic glaze, and I just drizzle this over the top, and it really just brings out all those flavors. So let's go ahead and drizzle this and finish it off. So let's drizzle that glaze lightly over the top of this right before serving. Well, I don't know about you, but I think that is one chilly, delicious bite. So again, super simple ingredients. The balsamic glaze is an option, or you can do regular balsamic vinegar. It just kind of adds that little, kind of brings out all the other flavors, makes it a little rich. So you can obviously do that or not, but let's give this a try. I like to get a little everything. I love feta cheese, so I think this is so good. Oh, it's so fresh. So easy to throw together, very minimal ingredients, and your guests will love it, or your family, whoever you're making this for. But again, super easy. It's not expensive. It's not high in calories or anything like that at all. You have your fresh watermelon. Your feta cheese has a little bit of fat and calories to it, but you don't have that much in there, and everything else is calorie free. Fresh herbs make this dish. So I love you guys. I will see you next week. We're gonna make California chicken.